Kailangan na po ng surgery ng father mo as soon as possible.
At the moment, $500,000 na po ang bill niyo.
Anak, nahihirapan na ako.
With every decision an engineer makes, lives are put at stake.
Hello? Engineer Randall speaking.
Engineer Babes, may proposal ako sa'yo. Malaki makukuha mo rito. Besides, I know the situation with your mother. Alam kong kailangan mo ang pera. Approve mo lang yung materials, isang pirma mo lang, pasado na yan sa papel.
In desperate times, doing what is right becomes harder. When desperation knocks, integrity is tested.
Alam kong bibit ka ngayon. Pero mama lang to. Tapos ang problema ko.
Ang trabaho ko ay magtayo ng ligtas na kinabukasan para sa taong bayan. Hindi maglagay ng buhay sa panganib. Hindi lahat nabibili.
Engineer Randall, we have received and reviewed your report. Thank you for warning us regarding the material discrepancy. We need more people like you.
Actual engineers don't just build structures, they establish trust and integrity.